Hi, this is Reese from CreataCRM. We're going to be showing you the bundle section inside of Creator. Inside of Creator, when you go to Sales drop-down menu and go into Product Services, we can list all the different types of products you've got there. We have 5 types at the moment. We've got products, which is normal products in the system. Services, like time. Assembly items, which is like I want to build these things, and we're talking about the raw material, so these are assembly items I need to build, and usually it's one line item. So if I said I want bacon and eggs, it will be 2 bacons, eggs, and some toast, and that's what you get. That's one line, and you always get that. You've got bundles where it's a bit more cooler in some areas. The assembly item is good for creating a work order and build that, please. It's always going to be the same. Something like bundles, you get into the stage where you can say, I want bacon and eggs, but no, the client doesn't want poached, he wants scrambled, and I'm going to take the bread and it was sourdough, but I'm going to put white bread, for example. So you can just start to mishmash the actual items themselves. So it's good for groups, and bundles are pretty good with that. Manufacturing orders is like assembly items, which is the raw materials, but you get instructions like a recipe, and that is a manufacturing order. It's just an overview of all our products. So let's do bundles. So we're going to click on Sale and click on Add Quote itself. So we click on the item across here and we click on the drop down menu. You see the item bundles here. You have 2 choices of creating bundles. One is just choose the bundles that you know about. We do have the Add Bundle section. We put that there because people are going, I don't know what is in the bundle, and when you add it, you're going to delete them and do a lot of stuff with it. So it's just, if there's a lot of big bundles there, you want to go, better check it. So for example, I want to add this bundle. So you've got ones where you've got a bundle, cool bundle with 00000 of all these products. Doesn't make sense, but you've got that. You've got a couple other things like test bundles, which is one of these 3 of those. So one install skirting, new tests, and some other particular product, lightsabers, bam bams on 2 and 3, and some blank lines. You can add blank lines and group them up and have subtotals in there as well. So for example, I can, go, I just want one of these bundles and one of these bundles, or I can again cancel that and just go, I just want to have this bundle here, which is going to be I'll just search for a core bundle. Okay, there you go, and bang, it adds all those items in there really quickly, very fast in there. And the way that you have it is, so I want to have 2.3 of this, 2 of that, and 3 of that, 4 of that, and 5 of that. So what that means is that it's more of a takeoff, saying every meter, for example, you can use this for linear meters. Every linear meter, I've got 20 linear meters, so I can say 20 meters. It will calculate all of them, so 20 times what it was beforehand, and now you've got all the elements. So it's great for takeoff or building linear meters, where you can then slice it up and have bundles in here. You get a tick box here to say where you can stick, have it stick. So something like the currency package, let's say, reckon. The way we push the bundles, they have bundles, so we can't modify it. So if you do want to add more, we just have to say untick it. So if it's ticked, you can't add bundles in here. But if you untick it, you can then start deleting the items and start slicing it down, which is the example we have bacon and eggs. By the bundle has sourdough, you want to change it to white bread because the client wants to choose for it. So you go, no, he doesn't want this item. He wants, we'll add here another item here, move it up, and we can choose it inside the bundle here, another item, and add another item into the product itself. Price each $33. So it's all inside the bundle. So you can add and remove items really quickly off the bundle. So it's pretty important. So the key thing with bundles is really good for when you're starting to build some heavier quoting systems. It's a bit of an advanced thing that you have, that you can start to build component trees and build them into the sections in here and add the bundles across. And simple as that. Not that simple really, but it's pretty simple when you get your head around it. So I'm going to really show you really quickly. So that's called bundle in here, and there's the called bundle subtotals, and it gives you subtotals, all that. Remember, I did slice it out and removed it, so that gives you the freedom of creating a bundle and then removing it, saying I haven't got product X, I can use product Y for that. Pretty cool. But let's go and look at, to change a bundle really quickly, what you want to do. Now just click on the sales drop down menu here, and we're going to click on product sales, and you can see the bundles here. So I'm going to add edit existing bundle really quickly. So I click on bundles. I've got 7 of them. As you can see, 7. Click on call bundle, and you can just in the bundles tab here, you've got it will display if you market a bundle. How does it create a bundle? When you create a new product services, you choose the drop down type to have bundle here out of the 5 item types that you've got. So we're going to just remove that. So at the moment we can say I want this bundle, I want 3 of the large, the fire hose reel, 5 of those. Lightsavers, we need about at least 6 for our kids. They always break them. And then as you get the gist of this, is just kind of messy data we're putting in the videos. We just have to get the videos out because a lot of people are really requesting it. And there's all the bundles, the 6 bundles here. So I've just added those items across, marked it across. So if I create a new product, again, it's in the item types to mark as a bundle, and then just tabs it comes across. So what that means there, so if I go into sale, a new product, and say, please be a bundle. Okay, I need to have a name, and just the little stickly thing we have, we need an item number as well. And you change this to a bundle. So when I change the bundle and save it, save view here, you get this bundle tab, and then you can add the items across here and say, well, 1 of these, and 1 of these, and 1 of these, and then add the products in here, and then change the items across. Okay, so that's how you make a bundle. Really important. Click on that. 5 or 6 of those, great. And that's how you do it. Okay, so that's how you make a bundle. And again, just to reiterate, so I've just done please be bundle. So again, when I quickly, that's how you create a bundle really quickly. So when you create a sale and you click on quotes, you click on add, and please be a bundle, bang, it shows you all those items that I did put in there really quickly with 6 of those, 5 of those. So every one of these you can have 6, 5 and 4. So I want 3, so that'll be 18, 15 and 12. If I want 3 of those, 18, 15 and 12, there you go, it does all the calculations up here, and that's a nice bundle. Please be a bundle is really nice and quick, and that's really how quick you do bundles. It will save you time. Pretty cool system. I like it a lot. What we do put subtotals in here. MYB, we do correctly put the subtotals in the accountancy packages in there, and we also have Reckon put subtotals. Reckon you just have to assign a subtotal. Again, we won't go into the detail, but please ask us how to do it. But it will display in the accountancy packages just like that as well. But again, nice and fast and furious. Very powerful, great for component building. When you've got to build some components like a computer and stuff, and you've got these motherboards, and you can slice and dice it really quickly and fast. So just get your head into it really quickly, play around with it. You can start building computers and all the things, component building really quickly, and then realize you need to slice and dice it. As you can see, you can just take one out and put another component in. So that helps out heaps. Hope that helps of component building or bundling with components. Thanks. Bye.